What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Ford Era videos, I guess. I don't know. So I went on a little bit of a trip last week, so I've been kind of silent on the video stuff, but I've got a bunch of stuff that came in while I was gone, parts. I need to build a couple of things, so we're going to take you guys with me today, and you're going to see what we're up to. Going to head over to the shop first, unload some of the stuff in here, take a couple of measurements, and then you'll see where we're going. See you in a little bit. What up, everybody? So just got over here to the shop. I'm going to be switching out this grill. It's got these holes in it for this one that I got off one of my buddies, Chris, out in Washington. Thanks, bro. He had it shipped out to me while I was gone. It got here, and I'm going to switch it out. Super simple. There's literally 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Unbolt it, bolt it right back together. No more messed up grill. So see that in a second. And there we have it. Just put the new grill on. Looks so much better. No more buck tooth. So now I'm gonna take off these headlights, and I got me an awesome set of Dapper Lighting Sevens. Now, if you guys don't know what these are, wait a second. I'm gonna clear the table. I'm gonna show you exactly what this is. See you in a second. All right, guys. So got all this stuff unpacked from Dapper Lighting. This is their 7, which is a 7-inch round sealed beam. And I got the halo that's colorful, and I did the OE glass so it looks original, and in the middle has the projector, and then it has the halo all around in different colors. The coolest thing is that this plugs into your original harness. So your factory harness that's behind the headlight, it plugs right in, and then all the other stuff plug into that. It's super simple. I'm gonna install it now. As usual, I'm gonna install one side, and then I'm gonna record the installation of the other side. That way I kinda know what I'm doing. But I've done this before. I did it on Old Red, which is right over here. So this has the exact same headlights. And they're awesome. So I'm gonna go do that right now, and then you guys will see what's up. So see you in about 1, 2, 3. All right, so I got the passenger side in. Now to do the driver's side. The reason why I like to do one side first before I do it on video is so I learn what I'm doing. So you can see how good that looks. Has a very original look with the OE glass. You can see it has all the lines on it, but then the projector looks clear as day, just like original. So now I'm gonna give you guys a little step-by-step on how to install those. Super simple, stay tuned. All right, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is take off the headlight bezel. All right, now you're gonna wanna take off the headlight, so loosen the trim rings. Not all trim rings are so simple. Sometimes you need to finesse them a little bit. Make sure you save that. You're gonna need this for the new headlight. Then you're gonna wiggle out the original H4 plug. Now you're gonna take your patch harness right here. You're gonna plug that in, like so. Now, I already did it on the other side, so I know, but you're gonna need to plug these in because this diode lets you go high beam, low beam. I just like to test it. And that's why I like testing stuff. Last time I did the exact same thing. I put this on backwards. Boom. Plugged it in the right way. Now the headlight works. Now we're gonna check. Make sure the high beam works like it should. So now the headlight works, the high beam and the low beam both work. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug in this extension harness into the LED driver. Now this only goes for if you did the LED ring. If you didn't do the LED ring, now you're done. You'd put back on the ring and reinstall it, be all finished. So now I'm gonna pop the hood, gonna connect all of this to what I did on the other side. So we'll see you guys in a second. All right, so pop the hood. I need to pop off this grill over here. Oh, gonna do that real quick. Simple, just installed it. All right, that was pretty easy. So now what I gotta do is take the LED driver and I need to route it across to where I put the main harness piece. So I'm going to do that now and we'll see you guys after I do that. Alright, so I'm going to install the headlight, then I'm going to finish routing this because that's what I got to do. So just like before, I'm going to plug everything back in. Take the trim ring. All right, now check the headlight. That works awesome. Now I'm gonna connect the rest of the stuff. I'll see you guys in 2 seconds. All right, so we got it all in there. Should work. Let's go turn it on. Alright, now the halo should be on. Yup. Alright. Let's try the turn signal. And the passenger turn signal. Alright, now the headlights. Hell yeah. Alright, now let's turn off the headlights and show you guys one of my favorite features about these RGBs Halos. So I already downloaded the app and synced it to my phone. So pretty much we go to the Morimoto app and then changes to the color. Strobe mode. Do that. Speed it up. Switch the colors. Slow it down. So yeah, now I'm gonna turn that off and reinstall the grill shell and reinstall the headlight bucket. So you guys can watch. Here we go. For some reason, the headlight bucket screws get a little bit loose. I'm going to use some blue Loctite on them just to make sure they don't go nowhere. Alright, and there we have it. They're all done. Ooh, that looks nice. I'm super happy with the way that turned out. So it was a little short video. Put the new grill shell on the driver's side. Put the new Dapper Lighting headlights in. And if you guys want any more info on these headlights, I'm gonna put the link below. But you guys can check them out. Dapper Lighting. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.